Hello, listeners. I am Sara.
And I am your teacher, Erica.
Welcome back to one more fantastic episode of Word Wave,
where you learn one new word to boost your English vocabulary.
to help you speak English fluently and confidently.
This is the 16th episode in this series. Sara, what do we have for today's episode?
Well, today I have brought quite an interesting word. It's Nobby.
Nobby. It sounds like someone's name.
It may sound like Bobby, but Nobby is not anyone's name.
Oh, I see.
Nobby is used to describe people or things that are cleverly stylish.
Do you mean someone or something that is stylish and fashionable at the same time?
Yes, and it could be used for both people and things.
For example, a Nobby motorbike.
Yeah, it can also mean something that is very fancy or high class.
As Nobby is a descriptive word, it's used as an adjective.
Yes, and it does not have any other forms. It's only used as an adjective.
Nobby comes from the word knob, which is a noun and means something that is superior.
Absolutely. And knob is mainly used in British English.
The pronunciation is quite simple. It's knob-y, Nobby.
It's a two-syllable word, and the stress is on the first syllable, knob, Nobby.
Nobby. Well, with that, let's look at some example sentences to understand its use in real conversations. Shall we, Sara?
Of course. Here's the first one. Ryan just got a Nobby smartphone with the latest features everyone's talking about.
This means he's purchased a high-end fancy phone that's recently launched.
Listeners, now it's your turn. Try making a sentence with Nobby and write it down in the comments.
Yes, we would love to read your comments, and it will help you remember these new, fancy English words.
Absolutely, Erica.
Here's the next one. The CEO always had a Nobby way of presenting herself with a sharp suit and a confident smile.
Here, it means she always looked quite fashionable and confident. Here's one more. They attended a Nobby dinner party at their friend's house where everything was perfectly arranged and stylish.
This means the dinner party was theme-based and quite fancy with well-dressed people.
Such a lovely word to describe something. I love this word.
I agree with that, Sara. So, listeners, that's all for today in this episode of Word Wave,
where you learn one word at a time to boost your vocabulary and speak English confidently.
We will catch up with you in the next episode of Word Wave,
to learn one word at a time.
Until then, happy learning.